Gerber Life Insurance Review 2025 Pros and Cons Best for Kids. You won't believe how early planning can secure your child's future. Gerber Life Insurance in 2025 offers whole life policies specifically designed for children, providing lifelong coverage and savings. But is it the best choice for your family? The surprising truth is affordability. Most people get this wrong by assuming life insurance for kids is unnecessary or expensive. Gerber Life offers low-premium whole-life plans that lock in rates while building cash value over time. This can be a head start for long-term financial growth or future educational expenses. Another advantage is flexibility. You won't believe what happens next when you learn that cash value can be accessed for college, emergencies, or other investments later in life. Policies are simple to understand, and online management tools make it easy to track coverage. However, there are cons. These policies are primarily for children, so adults seeking robust life coverage will need separate plans. Some families may prefer alternative investment accounts as the returns from cash value growth are relatively modest. Additionally, policy approval still requires health checks in some cases. In conclusion, Gerber Life Insurance in 2025 is ideal for parents looking for affordable, long-term coverage for their children. It provides a combination of financial protection, cash value accumulation, and lifelong coverage. While it's not a substitute for broader financial planning, it's a practical option for families wanting to start early and build a foundation for the future.